Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Automotive Vibes 07. Today we are diving the 2025 Hyundai Sonata N Line is a standout in the midsize sedan segment, blending sporty performance with everyday practicality. Powered by a turbocharged 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine delivering 290 horsepower and 311 pounds-feet of torque, it offers brisk acceleration and a dynamic driving experience. Performance and handling. The N-Line's robust engine ensures swift acceleration, making highway merging and overtaking effortless. The 8-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission provides smooth and responsive gear shifts, enhancing the overall driving experience. While the Sonata N Line isn't an all-out performance machine, it offers a balanced ride suitable for both spirited drives and daily commutes. Interior comfort and features. Inside, the Sonata N Line boasts a spacious and well-appointed cabin. The front seats offer ample support, and the rear seats provide generous legroom, ensuring comfort for all passengers. Standard technology features include a 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration, keeping drivers connected on the go. Design and styling. Hyundai has given the Sonata N Line distinctive styling cues that set it apart from its competitors. The exterior features unique design elements, including a bold front grille and sporty accents, contributing to its aggressive stance. Inside, the N-Line specific leather-wrapped steering wheel and sport seats with synthetic suede inserts add to the sporty ambience. Value proposition. Starting at $35,400, the Sonata N Line offers a compelling mix of performance and features at a competitive price point. It comes well equipped with advanced safety features, including forward collision warning with automatic braking, adaptive cruise control, and blind spot intervention, providing peace of mind for drivers. Owner impressions. Owners have praised the Sonata N Line for its balanced performance and comfort. One reviewer noted, "It does everything good. It's a very well-balanced vehicle and I love it." Another mentioned, "The way I'd summarize this car is it's in the Goldilocks zone." Conclusion. The 2025 Hyundai Sonata N Line successfully bridges the gap between a practical midsize sedan and a sporty performer. With its potent engine, comfortable interior, and host of standard features, it stands as a strong contender for those seeking a versatile and engaging vehicle. For a more in-depth look at the 2025 Hyundai Sonata N Line, check out the following video.